How to use Duolingo. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and search for Duolingo application. As you can see, I've already installed the application. So all you have to do is just tap on open. Now as you tap on open, it will land you to the user interface of Duolingo application on your device. Now, if you have already an account, then you can tap on I already have an account. But if you want to get started, you can just tap on get started and start using it. I'm going to tap on I already have an account, and all I have to do is just tap on the Google option, and I'm going to mention my login credentials. As I do that, it will land me to the official homepage of the Duolingo application on my device over here. So as you do that, it will land you to a page where you can see, let's go, and you can just answer some questions related to these languages over here that I had earlier mentioned on your profile. Now, just after answering all these questions, you'll be able to learn the language of your desired languages or your country within a very short period of time. So just tap on continue and you'll be able to learn different languages over here on Duolingo. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.